And we'll start recording. Alright, good afternoon everyone. SirSniperJim here from the 643 box break site. So this is a afternoon break, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. So this is my 195th break, so we're slowly itching towards number 200. So we're breaking 2 boxes of 1112 titanium. And titanium has been extremely impressive from the ones I've seen. So it's June 17th. We'll quickly run through the teams here because we do have a few returning people as well as newcomers. So Gerard grabbed the Anaheim Ducks. Sean 1989-77 Boston. Elk Killer Buffalo. Blues Calgary. Elk Killer Carolina. Rabig JB grabbed the Chicago Blackhawks. Elk Killer Columbus. Tidwell Colorado. Dallas, I was wrong, welcome back. Crow Detroit. Aaron M2 Edmonton. Elk Killer Florida. All for Kinds the LA Kings. Tidwell Montreal. CM Punk Mini. Elk Killer Nashville Blues the New Jersey Devils. Elk Killer the Islanders. Aaron M2 the Rangers. Joey Joe Go Sens Go the Ottawa Senators. Welcome back to the breaks, Joey. Phoenix, grab the Phoenix Coyotes. And hope you're feeling better, Phoenix. 4570 Elk Killer, Philly. Blues, Pittsburgh. Felix Victoria, St. Louis. Gerard, grab the Sharks. Miss Oceans, Tampa. Subterfuge, Toronto. Elk Killer, Vancouver. Sean 72469, the Washington Capitals. And Dubs88 gets the Winnipeg Jets. So we had one 5+ team winner, and Justin, 4570 Elk Killer. So another pack of 1112 SPX going in your package. Alright guys, so let's break open these 2 boxes. So first box we'll start off with 181146591. Good luck, everyone. We've got our 5 packs. Our box is empty. Pack number 1. We'll start with the thick one. So we start with the Phoenix Coyotes, Mike Smith. And I'll send all cards. Base, Kerry Lettinen. And our first auto, going to the San Jose Sharks, New Wave, J.P. Anderson. So New Wave auto, J.P. Anderson, and San Jose Gerard Cibas. Those cards are not numbered. Thick filler. And John Tavares, base. Our second pack. Joe Thornton, base. Marian Gaborik, base. We've got hat tricks for the Vancouver Canucks, numbered 171 out of 199. Henrik Sedin, Mason Raymond, and Yannick Hansen. And that is the first hit for 4570 Elk Killer. And we've got a base of Jarome Iginla. So for the Iginla, we'll open up a bonus pack of 1112 Series 2. Hayduke base, Daniel Paille base, Slater, and we've got a Young Gun. This one for the Buffalo Sabres and Elk Killer, Marcus Foligno. Hammerlick, Kelly, TJ Oshie, and Brower base. Alright, pack number 3. Lundqvist base. Al Montoya base. Game-worn gear for the Anaheim Ducks and Girard. Jeff Delorier. And Rick Nash base. Pack number 4. Cavalier base. Brad Richards base. Game-worn gear duel, 175 out of 300. Also for the San Jose Sharks, and another hit for Girard. So Girard cleaning up in this box. We've got Marleau and Mitchell. Torrey Mitchell, Patrick Marleau. And Patrick Kane base. So last pack in box number 1. We've got Joffrey Lupul base. Zach Parise base. This box was a dud. For the Boston Bruins, Brad Marchand, game-worn gear. And Alfredson base. That's probably one of the weakest boxes I've seen of this product. Alright guys, moving on to box number 2. Number 181120169. So box number 2 for our 2-box break of 1112 titanium. Let's hope box number 2 is a little better than box number 1. Got our packs. Our box is empty. Alright, pack number 1, box number 2. Rene Bourque, base. Ruby base, number 85 of 99 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, and 45/70 Outkiller, Rick Nash. And for the Edmonton Oilers, game-worn gear, Alish Hemsky. That goes to Aaron M2. And Cam Ward base. Save the thick one. Pack number 2. We start with a Malkin base. Dion Phaneuf base. Game-worn gear duel for the Dallas Stars. And I was wrong. We've got Kerry Lettinen and Ed Belfour. And Stephen Weiss base. Jonathan Toews base. Louis Eriksson base. Game-worn gear auto. Going to Sean, 1989-77, numbered 47 of 50, Nathan Horton. So Nathan Horton, game-worn gear auto. And Corey Perry base. 2 packs left, guys. Alfredson base. Patrick Kane base. New Wave auto for the Anaheim Ducks. And Gerard again. Timo Palmier. Spacer. And Kovalchuk base. Last pack, guys. Pavel Datsyuk base. Evander Kane base. Ooh, nice. Private signings for the Ottawa Senators and Joey Joe Go Sens Go. Erik Karlsson. Erik Karlsson private signings. Spacer and a Spezza base. So that is our 2 boxes, guys. So not too bad. So we'll go right into the bonuses. So we will start with our giveaways. So we got our 2 cards that we're giving away for this break. A couple autos. Bring out our poker chips. So our first giveaway will be from SP Authentic of last year. Sign of the Times auto of Johan Franzen. And we'll mix it up. So that card will be sent to the owner of the Calgary Flames, which is Blues. Second giveaway, Sign of the Times. This one, Keith Ballard. And that will be sent to the owner of the Washington Capitals. And Washington, Sean 72469. So we'll throw those 2 chips back in. No hit bonus prizes for this break. So we have a pair of cards here. The first one, a Rick Nash quad jersey. And winning materials of Ryan Miller. Give them a mix here. So if we do pull out a chip, which that respective owner did get a hit, we'll move on to the next one. No hit bonus for this break, going to the owner of the Chicago Blackhawks. And Rabik JB. Chicago did not get a hit in the break, so they will receive those 2 cards. So we'll do one more no-hit bonus for this break. From 10-11 in the game, 10th edition, Ultimate, we got Ultimate All-Stars of Pavel Bure. And we will send that to the owner of the Carolina Hurricanes. Carolina, 45-70 out killer. So Carolina did not get a hit in the break. So Justin, Pavel Bure, Ultimate All-Stars coming your way. Alright guys, so we'll move on to the bonus wall. Got our list of prizes. So let's roll the die. So it is a 5. And 5 on our list is 3 packs of 11-12 certified. So once again, we'll use our poker chips. One individual will be sent 3 packs of 11-12 certified for this break. Let's give our chips a mix. So the 3 packs of 11-12 certified from the Mega Wall will be sent to the owner of the Toronto Maple Leafs. And Toronto was it was Subterfuge. So Mike, 3 packs of certified coming your way. Alright guys, that's the break. So hope you enjoyed it. So make sure to check out the auctions ending tonight, as well as the buy it nows that will be posted. And I will see you guys again